Hello friends, a very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's video is a special video in which I'm gonna strictly advise that if you really want to make your partner cry for you and you want that he or she should cry for you indefinitely until you talk to them, then you should try this spell because it's the powerful spell which has complete warning that you must try it only on one condition, that if you want your target person should cry for you, should literally beg for you, should literally beg that he or she wants to be with you, he or she should spend or his or her life with you, then you would be needing this spell. Without wasting this time, even if your partner had left you or is thinking to leave you or is trying to move away from you, then also you can try this spell. This spell will definitely make sure that your partner should realize your worth, should realize your importance. We would be needing a spoon. A spoon is required, which I have already got with me. I hope you can see. A spoon is required, preferably of white or cream color, or a silver color will also do. It's a simple spoon which I have got with me. After that, you would be needing little bit of water. I'm going to show you live that how you are gonna cast it and how you can make your partner to be with you. Let me get little bit of water first. I have got small amount of water with me in this cap. I'll be putting small amount of water here on this small spoon. A small amount of water. The lesser the water you keep on this spoon, more is the beneficial. Right? It's an inverse proportion, that is, lesser the water on the spoon, more would be the pain, suffering and crying and water in the eyes of your target person. Inverse proportion. After that, what will you do? You are going to get a photo of your target person. Let me put it aside here. It can be in your mobile phone. It can be a hard copy or a soft copy. If you do not have, then on a piece of paper you will write down the name of your target person 21 times. First you will try to get the photo. Either it can be in your cell phone, it can be in your computer, it can be in your mobile phone, or you can get a hard copy. If you do not have both of them, then you will be getting a piece of plain white paper, as you can see right now with me, and you will be writing down the name of your target person 21 times. Mam Athru Karavu. Now pay attention. This is my right hand. This is my ring finger. Right? I will chant it. Mam Athru Karavu will touch the water like this, and I'm gonna touch on my eyes like this. Suppose these are the eyes. I'm going to touch the lid of the eyes. 1, 2. Mam Athru Karavu. 1, 2. Then again touch. So you have to chant it until this water gets over completely. As soon as you have finished it, hardly it will take 1 minute, your target person is gonna start crying for you. Your target person is gonna say that yes, he did wrong with you, and he is gonna ask for an apology. If you have any doubt regarding this spell, or you want to know something regarding this spell, then you can please feel free to call us on the number which is there on your screen. Till that moment, take care. God bless you. Bye bye.